안녕하세요. 토끼쌤입니다. Hi, I'm 토끼쌤, Korean teacher. I'm back again. Today, I'll tell you about speaking to your K-pop stars on Insta Live. When I watch some Insta Lives or V Lives, I see a lot of people text sweet words to their K-pop stars. I saw some people type in English or other languages. While I hope these words are catching enough to the K-pop stars so they can answer you. But chat speed is often very fast and it'll be very hard for the idols to see all the comments you send. So I'll help you learn to chat in Korean in order to attract your favorite K-pop stars. After learning all things I prepared, comment these phrases when watching an Insta Live or V Live. Good luck! Fighting! Number 1. Today you look good as well. The point is here, as well. Why as well? As you know, a big fan of K-pop star, he or she always looks good, and today they look good as always. To emphasize this truth, how good they look like, how good they are, I picked this phrase. 오늘도 잘생겼어요. 오늘도 잘생겼어요. 오늘도 예뻐요. 오늘도 예뻐요. 오늘도 means today as well. 잘생겼어요 means you look good for a man. 오늘도 means today as well. 예뻐요 means you look good for a woman. One thing to tell you is 잘생겼어요 and 예뻐요 are about their appearance. So, listen carefully. Okay, let's look at this example. You put your idol star here. Jimin from BTS. Jimin, 오늘도 잘생겼어요. 정국, 오늘도 잘생겼어요. Woo. Number 2. You are so cool. Okay, when you want to tell him or her you're so cool, amazing, awesome, fabulous, something like that, it'll be normal and good. 너무 멋있어요. 너무 멋있어요. So you put a name of your singer and say 너무 멋있어요. 너무 means very or so. 멋있어요 means cool, amazing. Number 3. I'm waiting for your next album. When K-pop stars haven't released any albums recently, we can tell them this. 다음 앨범 기대하고 있어요. 다음 앨범 기대하고 있어요. 다음 means next. 앨범 means album. 기대하고 있어요 means I'm waiting for something. So you can also speak to them to show how long you're waiting for their new album. Number 4. Please come to my country as well. This is the most desirable thing for you. 우리나라에도 와주세요. 우리나라에도 와주세요. 우리나라에 means to my country. 도 means as well. 와주세요 means please come. So you could speak this to them or put your country name instead of 우리나라, which means my country. Let me tell you an example. 브라질에도 와주세요. 브라질에도 와주세요. So you could put your country name. 스페인에도 와주세요. I hope the K-pop stars could see it and consider coming to your country. I really hope so. Number 5. You must be worn out from your work. This is also a good phrase that we use almost every day. Before explaining, let me tell you the situation first. After the work or concert or things they should do, they must be very exhausted. So, we Koreans do say this phrase to comfort them and cheer them up. I hope you understand the situation. 오늘도 정말 수고했어요. 오늘도 정말 수고했어요. 오늘도 means today as well. 정말 means very. 수고했어요 means this is exactly the phrase we use in this situation to cheer someone else up. Number 6. After this life, get some rest. When your stars look exhausted after hard work, you could say this. 방송 끝나고 푹 쉬세요. 방송 끝나고 푹 쉬세요. 방송 means broadcasting. 끝나고 means after. 푹 means well or deeply. 쉬세요 means get rest. This is another way to end the chat or say goodbye. Very useful. Number 7. I was comforted by your songs. I was comforted by your songs. This is really, really good too. When I ask my students why they want to learn the Korean language, they mostly say that when they get stressed or feel down, listening to K-pop helps and cheers them up. This is true. This is one of the main reasons we listen to music. So we can use this. 노래를 들으면 힘이 나요. 노래를 들으면 힘이 나요. 노래를 means song. 들으면 means when listen. 힘이 나요. It cheers me up. So you put your K-pop stars right before 노래를 to make someone's song. BTS 노래를, 블랙핑크 노래를. So look at these examples. BTS 노래를 들으면 힘이 나요. NCT 노래를 들으면 힘이 나요. Wow, if I were a K-pop star, I would be very touched, amazed when you say this. Number 8. Good night and have a good dream. This is a simple one. 잘 자요. 좋은 꿈 꿔요. 잘 자요. 좋은 꿈 꿔요. 잘 means well. 자요 means sleep. So this literally means sleep well. 좋은 means good. 꿈 means a dream. 꿔요, like have. So have a dream. This is also good to end the chat at night. Okay, today we learned how we comment on Insta Live or V Live. Was this helpful? If you like this video, please click the subscribe button now. I'll see you again. 수고했어요. 또 만나요.